Welcome to the International Marine Scientist Awards. Awarded by Science Father, Associates Professor Dr. Chunpeng He, Southeast University. He is from China. He won the Breakthrough Innovations Laureate Award in the event of International Marine Scientist Awards by Science Father. Chunpeng He, an associate professor at the State Key Laboratory of Bioelectronics, Southeast University, has conducted groundbreaking marine biology research since 2007. Under Professors Zhu Honglu and Jun Yachen, he discovered the intracellular digestion mechanism in amphioxus, highlighted in Nature. His innovations include transforming harmful algae into protein feed and assembling coral reference genomes that bolster global reef restoration. Chunpeng He won the Breakthrough Innovations Laureate Award for his pioneering research in marine biology. His work has significantly advanced our understanding of marine ecosystems and coral conservation. Notably, he discovered the intracellular digestion mechanism in marine organisms, which was featured in Nature for its scientific impact. Best wishes from International Marine Scientist Awards and Science Father Group. Join our community. Subscribe now and thanks for watching.